It's a video actually.
Oh, it's video?
Yeah.
This one, what's this?
Egg.
Egg,
Egg pudding? Oh, maybe you're gonna like that.
oh, look at the fish right there.
Like we can order things
Yeah, you can either get it from the conveyor or like if you want to from the menu, you can order it. Which one?
the one in the avocado you said.
Yeah, I think that you're gonna like that one.
What else? The one I said. Where will you order here? They will bring it or it will come out there?
Both color is our tray.
Crab meat, avocado, and what's the other one? Tuna? What's that?
The tuna flour, tuna and mayonnaise.
Yeah, that one.